Okay, it's still kind of dark outside, so you can't really see anything, but today's fit is this AKO sorority letter embroidered shirt. We have these shorts. These are from Aeropostale, I believe. Yeah, these Aeropostale shorts, they're cute. They're like kind of high rise and then like ruffled. You can't really tell, but like the ruffled. And then we have on the white DCs, and that completes the fit. For the hair, we just put the wig into 2 ponytails. So yeah, and then for jewelry, I have my silver hoops that I'm always wearing, and then I'm gonna put on my Apple Watch. But that's all we have for today. That is the move and fit. I'm feeling cute. The goal is to go to Dollar General and pick up some Lysol or Clorox wipes so I can wipe down everything in the dorm before moving my stuff in, because my parents and my boyfriend are making their way up here now. So yeah, moving starts at 8:30 and it's currently 7:14, so I'm going to head out of here in like the next 15 to 20 minutes, because I also want to go to Dunkin' as well. I want to get the ball rolling, get on there early, because I still need to go to campus and do my COVID test in order to move in, and also go to the business office to sign a promissory note to make sure I pay off my balance by a certain date. So that's the agenda for today. Alright y'all, my test results just came back, and that, what does it say? Negative! It says that I tested negative and everything, what kind of test it was. So I'm finna go pick up my room key and sassafras, and then I'm gonna go pick up my room key, and then I'm gonna drive over and start unloading some of the stuff that's in my car. So nothing on you, baby. It is so hot out here, y'all. I'm freaking dying. But I just did my room check and everything. Checked my room. And I'm currently walking to the business office. It's hot. So I can sign my promissory note, because they close at 2 o'clock today. So I'm just going to get it out the way. Then I'm going to go to public safety and pick up my card. Like my sticker for my car. For my parking permit. Everything. So yeah. Oh my god, y'all. I miss campus so much. Like, we outside. We outside. Oh, it feels so good to be back. Like, not even just at campus, just to not be at home. So, yeah. So that was a complete bust. Couldn't get my promissory note signed because the people in the business office are not even here. So why would they send me a freaking email saying, yeah, we're going to be open to 2 p.m. So come in and sign your promissory note. So now I'm going to go to public safety and pick up my parking sticker registration thingy. And then I'm going to move in the stuff that's in my car into my dorm and try to lock my bed and everything. But I show y'all what I'm working with, because I don't know what I'm going to do with that little bit of space. I bring a lot of stuff. We're going to figure it out. We're going to figure it out. I'm going to show y'all the dorm. So we're going to figure it out. So I'm going to walk to my car. I'm back in the dorm. And I'm going to use Lysol and wipes. I'm going to wipe everything down in my room first. And then I'm going to come out here and wipe and spray everything down. So that's what we're going to do first. I forgot to bring my pillows. And I feel like I don't have pillows at all. And the extra pillows I had, I gave to my mom to use for the guest bedroom downstairs. And it just starts pouring rain. And I got this lace front on, okay? Can't be messing with the rain, okay? It's not that kind of lace front glue. That got to be glue? Not got to be glue. What's that called? A ghost bond? I don't know. Get hose up in the ring. But yeah. My parents are an hour out. And it just started raining. So that's great. I think I'm just gonna go back to my dorm. Worst case scenario, I can get pillows at Walmart or something. But yeah. Hey everyone, so I want to give y'all a quick update on my room college movement. It's Sunday, August 29th, and it's 2 o'clock. I really don't remember the last clip I filmed yesterday, so yesterday my parents caught a flat tire, so they got here late. They got here like 1:30ish, around 2 o'clock, and because they came so late, I just wasn't worried about like vlogging or anything, so we just get everything in here, and my boyfriend came along with them, and then afterwards we left here. Once everything was somewhat decent, we left here, we went back to my aunt's house and hung out with my aunt, and so my dad could see his grandma, because that's where I was on Friday, and those are my great aunt and my great grandmother. And then we went to Walmart, and then when we came back from Walmart, we got all the groceries and stuff that we needed and whatever I wanted. And then this camera is heavy, y'all, I'm so sorry. So yeah, we came back from Walmart, and then we put everything away. Then my mom and dad left. They went to go stay in a hotel. Me and Jalen did our own thing. Then we went to go to this party, but some of my other friends said the party was whack. So as soon as me and Jalen got there, we just like seen everybody leaving, and we was like, oh, how's the party? And they was like, ain't really nobody there, and it's kind of whack. So me and Jalen just decided to leave, and we came back to the dorm, and we just decided to order in Domino's. And then we stayed up to 3 a.m. and we put up all my room decorations and decor, because he has football practice today on Sunday. I didn't want him to be late, so I figured the more we do tonight, there's nothing for my parents to do when they get here. So today, this morning, me and Jalen, we got up. We was just laying around because everything was technically done. We didn't have nothing to do. So we just got up, then we watched church via Facebook Live, and then my mom called, and then they came and brought more groceries, and we brought them up, we put them away, and then after all of that was settled, we went to Parcolino's and we got some pizza, and now they left and they're gone. I'm kind of sad because I've been at home for the last year and a half, so it's kind of sad like being on my own again, kind of in a way. I'm going to miss being around my mom and having family dinners and going to church and like everything being so accessible. But I'm also glad to kind of be back on campus and everything. So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick little update. It's going to be a fireworks show and everything tonight, so I keep vlogging throughout the day. But right now, I'm just going to edit, but I just wanted to catch you guys up because I feel like there's a big chunk of footage missing. So yeah.